Today we're showing you a Kubota L2900GST tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a cab on it, a Curtis cab. The tractor was traded in locally here. It was being used to maintain the grounds of a church. It does start, run, and work good with no known mechanical issues. However, this is one of our budget-friendly tractors, so it will sell as is, where is. The front headlight here does have a hole in it. One side's gone there, as you can see. Overall, the cosmetics of the tractor is decent. You got a panel missing over here, but again, overall, it is presentable. The tires are getting down there in the front to be where they need replaced soon. The backs are turfed, and those are still in good shape. The back fenders do show quite a bit of rust. It does have dual remotes back here. The side cylinder there for your up and down, for adjusting on a box plate or anything like that. And again, this fender here also is showing quite a bit of rust. It does have a quick attach loader. The bucket is pin-on. If you're looking for an inexpensive four-wheel drive loader tractor, this one might be worth a look. The seat here, you can see it's got some rips in it. It is loose. It's kind of just wobbly, so if I need a new seat here for you at some point real soon, it's usable, but could use a new seat. Light shift transmission, what that translates to is an 8-speed power shift transmission, and that forward reverse up here on the dash. Four-wheel drive lever down below here. It also has a mid PTO option, which is this lever right here. Quick throttle, indicator brakes. 2100 at 62.2 hours on it currently. Motor joystick. And again, this is one of our budget-friendly tractors, so it is selling as is, where is. There are no known mechanical issues with the machine. If you have any questions regarding this tractor, please contact us at maskedtracker.com.